As day one drew to a close, the Hamilton Art Gallery hosted a welcome reception for delegates, which included an awards presentation for the In Focus Celebrating Farm Life Photography competition. Participants in the competition were invited to submit images of rural life that broadened our understanding of agricultural health, well-being and safety. There was an overwhelming response, with almost 700 entries received from every state and territory across Australia. International entries were received from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada, England, New Zealand and the US. Judged by renowned photographers Jill Frawley, David Fletcher and Ewan Bell, prizes were awarded in the open, secondary and primary school categories, as well as a People's Choice Award.
I took a photo of my friend, of her holding a sign saying oversize, and it's her, showing her safety of the farm and safe farming uses.
Well, it's basically like farm life because it's like a lamb without its mother, and it's basically just the lamb by itself, basically.
I'd like to conclude with a lovely quote from Ewan Bell, who said, "Lots of great photos will never win a competition, which is why these collections represent more than just a chance to be judged. The real prize is being able to walk through an exhibition like this and see walls filled with expression and imagination. We should all be proud of the 600 plus entries, not just those who win a prize today. Some of them are unique, some are iconic, and they are all worth some of your time."